I recorded my lecture, right? So today's topic, right? Only two things are remaining in collection class. This is one is hash map, second one is vector. So today I will cover the hash map. Afterwards we will cover to the advanced programming things. And right, my screen is visible.
No, sir, not yet.
Now my screen is visible. Might be my screen is visible, बच्चे लोग.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So today's topic is hash map. Do you know what do you mean by hash map? Do you know what do you mean by hash map? For a data, if we assign a key, is called hashing. क्या? If you are assigning a key to, if you are assigning key to data is called hashing, right? So that is called as, right, and overall concept is called hash map, right? So what we are doing, we are assigning key to the data. Understood or not? Whenever you are inserting a data, you have to insert a corresponding to key related to data, and key should be unique. समझ में आया कि नहीं आया बच्चे लोग? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
Right. By default, it is come under the category of, किस कैटेगरी में आता है? By default, it is come under the category of which thing? किस में आता है बच्चे लोग ये?
Util.
कौन से पैकेज में? Util पैकेज में आता है. Right. What we are doing? I am going to take the right making one class. What is the name of the class is, right? Triple H map, right? Right. What is the name of the बच्चे लोग class? What is the name of the class? बच्चे लोग? Triple H map, right? What we are doing it, right? If you wanted to create a main body, what I have to write? Tell me. क्या लिखना पड़ेगा मुझे? Public static. क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? क्या लिखना पड़ेगा बच्चे लोग? क्या लिखना पड़ेगा?
Public static main point string argument.
Right. First of all, if you wanted to use hash map, what I have to do? Tell me. क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्या पढ़ना पड़ेगा? हैश मैप को क्या क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा बच्चे लोग? क्या क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा?
Object.
ऑब्जेक्ट इक्वल्स टू क्या लिखूंगा? व्हाट आई हैव टू राइट? टेल मी. हाउ टू क्रिएट ऑब्जेक्ट? एवरीबॉडी इज नोइंग इट? यस और नो? यस और नो? सबको पता है
Yes.
कैसे क्रिएट होता है ऑब्जेक्ट? यस और नो? आया ना बच्चे लोग?
हाँ sir.
आया ना? Can anybody is replying?
Yes, sir.
Me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But if you wanted to specify a data, which type of data you have to insert, कहाँ मेंशन करना पड़ेगा? कहाँ मेंशन करेंगे पड़ेगा? If you wanted to insert a data of particular type, क्या लगाना पड़ेगा? कर्ली ब्रेसेस, oh sorry, that arrow braces, इस पे मेंशन करो, राइट? किस टाइप का डेटा ले रहे हो? स्ट्रिंग और इंटीजर टाइप का, राइट? कॉमा. की किसकी टाइप, की किस टाइप की होती है? टेल मी. की कौन सी टाइप की होती है?
Integer type sir.
Maybe you will take floating type also. Depend on totally on you. Understood or not? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? डेटा किस
Yes,
टाइप
sir.
का होगा? इंटीजर टाइप का. एंड कीज किस टाइप की होगी बच्चे लोग? टेल मी. Tell me. Integer type की. Understood or not? Right. So we have created object, right? Right. Object dot. If you wanted to put the data, then you have to use put. Object dot put. This is an inbuilt function in hash map, right? Hash map is a class, right? Already built in the util package, right? So by default, one member function is there. The name of the member function is put only, right? So what we have to, I am using object dot put, right? Right. It is a function which is in right hash map, right? What I have to write? Which type of data is there, bachelo? Which type of data is there? Tell me. String type of data is there, na? Yes or no? Which type of data is there,
Yes, sir.
bachelo? Tell me.
String
String,
type of
sir.
data.
String.
String. I am writing Rishit. I am writing Rishit. That I have to assign a data. I have to assign, right, key. Suppose key is 10, right? Object dot put. Suppose I am writing Naveen, right? Oblique 20, right? Object dot put write anything like I am writing Kapil, right? What I am writing? Kapil. All is good because otherwise error is coming. Right? Rishit Kapil and right 30 is there. Right? So key of Rishit is 10, Naveen key is 20 and Kapil key is 30. Right? If you wanted to write print, right? If you wanted to print the size, right? If system dot out dot print, if you wanted to print the size of hash map, कैसे होगा बताओ? क्या यूज करेंगे? Which function you can use? Which function you can use? Tell me. Object dot क्या यूज करोगे बताओ? Object dot बच्चे लोग क्या यूज करोगे? Object dot
Size.
size.
Right.
If you wanted to print data, if you wanted to print the data, right, in hash map, then simply what you have to write? Content of hash map. What I have to write? Tell me better लोग क्या सिंपली लिखूंगा तो आ जाएगा ना डेटा? आया ना? आया ना? आया ना बच्चे लोग?
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
Right now, right, if you wanted to know anybody's keys, now two functions are clear. That size, if you wanted to print the size of hash map, next function is clear. If you wanted to content of hash map, right, directly you can print the object. Now, right, if you wanted to retrieve a key of particular type, right, if I wanted to retrieve a key, right, so how can I retrieve a key? Suppose integer key of which type? किस टाइप की की है बच्चे बच्चे लोग बताओ? किस टाइप की की है? इंटीजर टाइप की है कि नहीं है बच्चे लोग? हाँ है ना?
Yes, integer type. Yes, sir.
If you wanted to retrieve any key, map, sorry, object dot get, किसकी की रिट्राइव करनी है बताओ? किसकी की रिट्राइव करनी है? सपोज कपिल की उठा रहे हैं, किसकी की उठा रहे हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट डॉट की. इफ यू वांटेड टू नो द सम डेटास की, then you can retrieve using object dot get, and you have to provide a content of right hash map. By default it will retrieve the key if you want to retrieve key. And finally system dot out dot println, right, you have to say, right, the key of Kapil is, simply you have to print the key of Kapil. How many of you understood the hash map? It consists of two things. One is string and right, it's integer type, right? If you want to retrieve a content, then right, if you want to insert a content, then you have to use the object dot put, right? If you wanted to print the size of hash map, then you have to use object dot size. If you wanted to simply print the content, right, you have directly you can by object, using object you can print the content of hash map. If you want to retrieve the key of some particular data, then you have to use the object dot get, by the help of which, and pass the content inside the bracket, by the help of which you can retrieve the content or you can retrieve the key of particular content. कितने लोगों को समझ में आया बच्चे लोग ये प्रोग्राम? आया ना?
समझ गया सर.
आ
समझ
गए
गया
सर,
सर.
समझ गए. आ गया सर.
Yes, sir.